Let's begin our second example by again using double distribution. So we multiply the first term of the first set of parentheses by both of the terms in the second set of parentheses. As you do your multiplying, make sure to take into account positive and negative symbols. So now we're going to multiply our second term to both of the terms in the second set of parentheses. Let's do the actual multiplication, remembering that variables that don't have an exponent showing on them currently, again, have a discrete 1 of an exponent that needs to be accounted for. Big 4 times big 2 is big 8. D times D is still D squared. Minus, make sure you have your minus. Big 4 times big 3 is big 12 with a big D beside it. There's only one D in this multiplying set, so you're not going to change your exponent. Big 1 times big 2 is 2, but don't forget the minus that is in between these two terms. And there is still a D beside that 2. And finally, we've got a negative times a negative. Make sure that you take that into account, making a positive. Big 1 times big 3 is 3. Now we're ready to finish this up by combining like terms. 8D squared. There are no other D squareds in this problem, so we just bring it down. There is a negative 12D and a minus 2D. These are both able to be combined as the D have the same lack of visible exponent on them. Negative 12 minus 2 more is negative 14D. Remembering you do not change the exponent on the variable whenever you add and subtract. Finally, bring down your plus 3, as it does not have anyone or anything to combine with. Now let's do the same problem using the box method. Again, both of my binomials only have 2 terms apiece. So we put the first term on the top of my square, my box, and the second set of information, the second binomial, down the left side of my box. Let's get ready to multiply in, filling each square of the box. As we do this, don't forget all of your exponential rules for multiplying with variables. Big 2 times big 4, big 8. D times D is D squared. Positive 2 times a negative 1 is going to give you a negative 2D. There's no other D's to worry about. Negative 3 times positive 4 makes a negative 12D. And finally, negative 3 times negative 1 makes a positive 3. Let's write this out so that you can see all of the terms and how they match with the other way of solving these problems. As you can see, these 4 terms are identical to these 4 terms. Even though the 2 center terms are in the opposite order, it really doesn't matter. Again, 8D squared does not have another term to combine with. I have a negative 2D minus 12D, and again, they make negative 14D, and a plus 3 at the end, as it also does not have any other terms to combine with.